The JJRC bellwether comes with a toy grade transmitter, phone holder, prop guard, charger, screwdriver, extra screws, an 1800 1S 30C battery. Oh, that's landing gear. Here's the prop guards. Instruction booklet. Unfortunately, yes, 2 batteries. And the camera set. So we have the camera mount, which has dampeners to try to take out some wobble and jello. We have a 2 megapixel 720p camera. There's a plastic housing. Nothing fancy there. We have the quadcopter with an additional battery. Dedicated on-off button. Turn it on, you get green lights in the front, blue lights in the back, they're flashing. And turn on the transmitter. Once bound, the lights are solid. Make sure the quad is set nice and level. We're going to press this button here. So I'm just flying around in mode 1. Speed mode 1. Flight. This is mode 2 in the US. You need to trim it. It's drifting quite a bit. And when I let go of the stick, it goes back to neutral. Now, too much one way. So I'm in speed mode 2. And I got a little bit. I can get a little bit more speed, a little bit more response out of it. Go to speed mode 3. Now it's not a sport flyer. And if I let go, it continues to keeps drifting on me. And since it is Wi-Fi, there is a lag from when you move your quad to when you see the update on the camera or on your phone.